Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for Stoodaio. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the bonuses that I'm going to give you when you purchase through my link. Then I'm going to jump inside the app so you can see how this creates amazing videos. Now, most of the bonuses that I've got for this is video related. It's a video product, so I wanted to give you video bonuses. Now, the first is 10 ways to create the perfect online video. I'm giving you resell rights with that as well. Video marketing, again, I'm giving you reseller rights with that as well. Web video strategies, again, you're getting reseller rights with that as well. And YouTube success, again, you're getting reseller rights with that as well. I've also got a course, video production e-course. It's a 10-part e-course all about video production. Creating live video demonstrations, video list builder, video made easy, another course all about video marketing mastery, and then I've also got my video library giveaway. In this there is 250 videos. They cost me over $8,000 to create. And I'm giving you those videos and you can do whatever you want with them. You can use them to promote your blogs and sites. You can give away for engagement. You can build a membership site. You can build a new info product. You can literally do whatever you want. And those cost me over $8,000 to produce. I've got article submitter. So that's a submitter for articles. You can use that. You've got full personal agency license, do whatever you want with that as well. You've got AdShake, you've got video resources volume 1 to 3. Now in here you've got thousands and thousands of resources to use. You've got stock photos, video assets, people, 4K videos, audio files, media assets, and much more as well. So I think you'll agree that's an amazing bonus package. Now I'm also going to give you the non-exclusive bonuses as well. Everyone's going to be offering you these, but I thought I'd add them there so you can see what they are as well. So you're going to get a free agency license, you're going to get premium video hosting, instant publishing to video pages, unlock all the niche templates, and unlock all the languages as well to create videos on a global scale. Okay, plus high quality video syndication, to start getting your traffic now. So an amazing bonus package. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump inside the app so you can see what this does and how easy it is to create videos. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, here we are inside Stoodaio. Now what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to walk you through the app. I'm going to show you everything that you can do inside, but I'm going to point out my favorite parts. There's lots in here. It's a really nice app for creating videos really quickly. But I'm going to show you what I think the best features of this, because there's lots of video apps on the market, but this does everything under one roof. So let me show you what I like about this, and how it's going to help you get more traffic to your offers, to your affiliate offers, to your blogs, etc. So first, this is obviously the dashboard. I'm going to click create new video. I'm going to do that from script. You can also do it from audio as well. Now, one of the things I like about this is you've got this little AI writer down here. Okay, so I've got a little script here that I'm working on for one of my resellers. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to click AI writer, paste that into there. And what I can do, I can make that script in multiple different languages, from Bulgarian to Chinese. So I'm going to do that, say in German. Okay, so I'm just going to click generate, and what it will do is generate this script into German. That's okay. Okay, so it's generated the script in German. I can't read German, so I'm assuming that's pretty correct. Now if I want to use this script in German to create my video, all I need to do is click here, use this script. Okay, so then once that's done, it's all ready to go and to be kind of put into the templates of the video. Okay, so I'm just going to click submit script. Okay, so it's now creating the videos. It takes a couple of moments to kind of load, so just let's wait for this to load, and it'll load the editor here ready to start creating these videos. Okay, so it's generated the slides. Now you can see it's put a video background in there. Now what you can do is you can automatically change the background if you want. So if you don't want this background, it kind of creates. And you can see the slides that it's done here. It's added the German text in, so you can automatically, if you want to change and replace those slides, you just change that. So you can automatically just change that slide. So just, you know, if you want like kind of two different slides in the background, so this one would be still the original, this would be this one. Then if you wanted to change the third one, let that load. There we go. Replace with this slide only. And you can replace the slides for the whole lot if you want as well, but you can, you know, obviously change them around just per slide. So you can see how easy that was to create for a, you know, a German video. So you could put your sales video out in German as well as, you know, as well as English and all the other languages that they've got in there. Now you can also upload the media to put into there. You can add clips and images. You can change the style of the text. So if you can see here, you've got text background color. So let's make that a little bit lighter. You can change the normal text color, text weight. You can make it bold, semi-bold. Let's put semi-bold on there. And you can have different text fonts as well, font styles. Now, also you can get the app to narrate, obviously, your script. So just let's save those first. Okay, wait for that to save. Jump across to narration. So auto narration. So what you can do is you can select a voice. So let's jump down to German, Conrad. So let's play the sample of
Hello,
that.
I am one of the text-to-speech voices that you can select to narrate your videos. When I speak, this is how I sound.
Okay, could change it to let's look for another one. They've got all different ones in here. Just let's have a look at Chinese.
Hello, I am one of the text-to-speech.
So you can see they've got lots and lots of different options. They've got multiple different options you can choose from. As you can see here, this is one of the kind of biggest collections I've seen of kind of those voiceover texts. There's another German one here. So let's...
Hello, I am one of the text-to-speech voices that you can select to narrate your videos.
Okay,
when
so
I speak,
so we'll create the narration of that. So it takes a little while to go through and narrate the whole video, but what it does, it's going through each separate slide and, you know, using the text to narrate that. So I'll just pause this video while that does. Okay, so that's done. It's narrated the whole video. I'll show you what that sounds like. Just give me a moment. Just play on that.
Was wäre, wenn wir eine Möglichkeit hätten, herauszufinden, was die Menschen wirklich denken? Was wäre, wenn Sie herausfinden könnten, wie Sie wirklich über die von Ihnen angebotenen Produkte denken?
Okay, so you can see it's narrated in German to the kind of voice we chose. So it's done the whole video. Now you can imagine if you had this really amazing video that you wanted to create. You know, you've already got your script. Now you could take that script and you could make probably 20, 30 different videos with that, all in different languages, and you could get extra traffic to your sites because you're getting, you know, German visitors who wouldn't, you know, normally be able to kind of understand what the video was about. You can actually do that and create German videos. You can create Spanish, Chinese, whatever you wanted to. Okay, now you can also add music on the background as well. So let's have a little bit of a look. So So if I wanted to add that on the background, I could. All I do is click there and it'd add that into the background. I could turn it down and up and everything else. Just let me set out everything saved so it's previewed. So once that's done, all I do is, and what I can do, so my video has been created, I can download the video. So I'll download the video, host it wherever I want. If I want to upload that to YouTube, I can. Or if I want to host the video, they do provide video hosting. All you need to do is click host the video. I'm not going to do that now because it actually uploads everything, so it takes a little while. But if you just want to click download the video, just click download the video and it'll download directly to your site, to your computer. Okay, so that's how to create the video. And as I said, you can create videos in multiple different languages, you know, change around those videos, use different slides, background music. So you can create a whole host of different videos. Now let me show you some of the other sections in here. So obviously this is the dashboard. Shows your videos created, how many's hosted, how many's been published. You can see the videos you created here as well. As you can, what you can do is you can remix them, so you can kind of regenerate them if you like. You can listen to the music on there, music selected, you know, the audio, voice, and you can edit everything there as well, so you can change it around. If you've got a good video, you can make a new one of that. Very, very easy to do that from that section. Got the published videos. I've not published any videos yet, but if you want to add a new published video, just click add new published video, select the name. You can put it on a domain if you want. But what you can then do is you can create a whole hosted page with a button on there, like kind of a call to action, so you can send, you know, your visitors, whatever, to that hosted video, and you can have things like scripts on there and buttons as well. You've got agency campaigns. You can create your own agency delivery pages. So you just do that here, add new agency page. Again, you can add everything on, like HTML content, buttons and scripts. You've got different video folders. You've also got sub-users for the agency, so you can add, you know, other users on. If you've got some kind of VAs or anything like that who you want to employ to create the agency videos, you can add that in there. And you've also got bonuses as well. So as I said, a really nice little app. It does exactly what it says. It creates videos, and it takes kind of 4 elements to make those videos unique. So you can have multiple languages, switch around the slides, download them, you can host them, you know, you can have music, everything that you need in there. You can add your own images as well, and everything else. So a really nice little app. And don't forget, if you purchase today, you will also be able to claim my bonus as well. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.